Hey, what's going on? Really excited for this one. This right here is the Amazfit. If you're not familiar with it, it is a smartwatch. And yeah, it's a smartwatch. It's a smartwatch by Huami, I think. I'll throw the link, but it's the real star in this with this device is the battery life. It's highly praised for that. You have, I believe, 30 days advertised battery life, and everyone seems to be on par with that in terms of agreeing and saying that yes, it does last that long. Um, Pretty good watch overall, from what people say. Obviously, not the best smartwatch out there. Got this Prime Day for around $66, I believe. A little bit about myself. So, with my line of work that I do, I'm constantly washing my hands. Potential to get some fluids spilled on me. Um, and I just need something low profile, nothing too crazy. Something that I can check to keep track of the time, and also something that can be working in the background for me and I don't really have to pay attention to. So, multiple options out there that potentially fit this my requirements. I went with this. It was between this and what was the other device? Not the vaporware. Oh, the TakeWatch E, because that was on sale for about $120. The added benefit of that one is it does have on storage, and it's an overall better device in multiple ways. But for the price of $60, nearly half of what the other one was, I decided to go with this. It's cheap. It's something that I can use for work. I don't really care if it gets roughened up, or something that I can take out with me on the trail. As you guys know, I'm pretty active, so went with this. Okay, so right here you just have thanking you for the purchase. It's a cool box, minimal design. I like it. Alright, so slide that down, and there you go. There's your watch. I'm not gonna lie, I like this presentation a lot. This looks pretty good. For $60, this this looks pretty good. Another benefit of this watch that I really liked was the heart rate sensor. I need a heart rate sensor for me. That's something that's I use when I'm working out. So I will be using this as a workout assistant for me. So having the heart rate on there is pretty good, and also with the GPS. So that's another benefit, big benefit actually for with this device, and the long battery life. So I went with the black design. This is the Dark Knight version. So let's get this off. We have this box right here. This is your charger. See anything else in here? A little book, user guide. Charger right here. Let's see how long this is. Not the longest. That might be a problem. If you, I guess depending on where you set it up. But I'm thinking by my bed, this barely goes down. Might be a little bit of an issue, but $60. Got to cut corners somewhere, right? So this is your device. Heart rate sensor on the back. Charging pin right there. See how that fits. Okay. Fits snug on there. It's kind of cool. Low profile design, like I said, I like that. Pretty lightweight. This feels solid glass, and then the back feels like a pretty hard plastic. Rubber grip. You can change your bands right here. Change your bands with this little adjustment thing right there. Just pull on it. Uh-oh, fat finger alert. Man, that was a struggle. Okay, let's take the sticker off. Get this out the way. And we have our device. You just have one button on the side. Right there. How do you turn this on? Alright, it's on. Okay, it wants you to set up the device. Alright, I'll set that up, but first impressions, not bad. As you can see, the viewing angle, you can see it a little bit from the side. Went dark on me. I like the fit of it. Let's put the watch on. Struggling. This definitely gets the job done right here. Like, this is what I need for work. Low profile, quick access to whatever I need. Just look at the wrist, flick of the wrist. Waterproof design, heart rate monitor, GPS, activity tracker. So it gets the job done. Is it the best smartwatch out there? No, but it's $66. Come on, man. 30 days of battery. You can't beat that. For my needs, it's the best smartwatch for me at this moment. I'm going to be going around with this when I'm hiking, doing all sorts of crazy things. It gets banged up, whatever. I'm not stressing about that. You know, this is something you can put on. It gives you the information you need, and you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching.